Are you working hard but still not seeing the money you deserve? What if I told you the problem isn't your effort but your approach? The truth is, most people are stuck in a cycle of doing the same things over and over, hoping for a different result. But that's not how wealth is built. Here's the hard truth. You're probably stuck in the wrong mindset, following outdated strategies, or simply not leveraging your time and resources effectively. Let's start with mindset. If you don't believe you're worthy of success, or if you don't see money as a tool for growth, you're already sabotaging yourself. Most people are stuck trading hours for dollars, and while hard work is important, it's not the only way to create real wealth. You need to work smarter, not harder. Another reason you're not making the money you deserve? You're not creating multiple streams of income. Relying on just one paycheck is like building a house on sand. Diversifying is key. Whether it's investing, side hustles, or creating your own products or services, you need to expand your income sources. Next, let's talk about your skills. If you're not continually upgrading your skills, you're going to fall behind. The world is changing fast, and the most successful people adapt to those changes. Are you focusing on high-value skills, things that solve problems and create results for others? If not, you're missing out on opportunities that could increase your earning potential exponentially. It's also about positioning. Are you in the right industry with the right people and the right connections? Networking is one of the most powerful tools you can use to unlock opportunities that increase your income. Now let's talk about action. You can't wait for success to come to you. You need to take decisive, bold steps toward your goals every single day. Focus on the big goals, but don't ignore the small steps. Every action, no matter how small, adds up to something bigger. And lastly, consistency is key. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay committed, improve your habits, and focus on the long game, the money will follow. So, how do you fix this fast? Change your mindset, start working smarter, diversify your income, invest in yourself, and take massive action. You have the power to start making the money you deserve today.